What's up, guys? Today we have 3 sports car high-end we're going to show you today, and we got the Ford GT40 in the black and blue, which is an awesome color combination. Fantastic. Love the striping. Looks really good. You got some nice headlights, nice rims, a little bit different. Great looking casting, great car, very sharp, very, very nice. And we got the McLaren Solus GT in, I'm gonna say like a flamey orange type of thing. That's pretty wild looking. Very sharp. Love the graphics on the sides of this. Incredible wheels, love that. Nice front end, just beautiful. Again, great wheels. Back end, look at that back end, that is beautiful. All steel and plastic, beautiful. And then we got Punk Rod. Like I said before, I love the orange lights, or I should say not lights, the orange glass. Now see, what I don't like is, like on that one, this is plastic. I just don't like that. But this is interesting, and a very interesting car. Nice wheels. Nice pipes coming out of there. You can see them right there. Very nice exhaust tips. Good looking car. Absolutely. All right, guys, what do you think? Which was your favorite? I'm gonna go with that one. Thanks for watching.